Very powerful one, guys. Um, what are the ingredients again? Okay, I'll tell you the ingredients. So we got cloves right here, and this is white onion, and this is the garlic, and we have some ginger right here, and we're gonna use some honey inside of it. But when you make it, just put a few cloves, piece of an onion, a few cloves of garlic, and a piece of the ginger. Yeah. All right, and that's it, and you can make it at home. And it's very good for cold, and it's also very good for the flu and this time of the year, something like this.